Hi and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create your free tier AWS account. Cloud penetration testing is a trending field in this 2026. First of all, if you know my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon for getting a latest video of cyber security and ethical hacking. So first of all, you have to come awsamazon.com on website and just click on create account. If you just insert your email and your name. Now verify the email, copy the code and paste here. Now verify it. Now it's time to create a password. So just type here the password of your AWS account. So this is the root password you have to enter and create perfect and secure password for this account. So I'm creating my secure password. So now I create my perfect and secure password. Now click on continue. So now we'll have to select the free 6-month account. So now choose free plan and then we have to add some contact information. Okay, so after fill this form, just click on the agree and continue. So now this is the main step to claim your free tier account of AWS. So there is a two method. The first is UPI autopay. You have to set a mandate for it, and the second is credit card or debit card. So I want to go with UPI autopay. So just click on UPI autopay. Okay, so now it's verify your payment method and initiate it. Now click on the verify and it's open the gateway. Alright, so this is the complete payment method. You have to scan and pay to Amazon AWS. Now I'm scanning it. So now my mandate is set here and it's completed. Now my mandate is successfully completed here. So now it's successfully, and wait for some time, it will redirect to the next page. Okay, so now you have to select this for academic purpose or ownership is individual, and now click on continue. Okay, so this is my mobile number. Now send SMS and it's sending a verification code. Just verify it. Now continue. Okay, so our all processes are completed right now. If this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, press the bell icon for getting our latest videos. And if you want to learn cybersecurity, so you can also follow me on Medium, where I share my all cybersecurity tricks and techniques. So this is the first part to learn about the cloud security. Okay, so I hope you understand and you will create your own account on the Amazon AWS. All right, so we will meet in next video. Bye bye.